Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to enable pop-up notifications for recommendations from X on the X app. If you've ever felt like you were missing important updates or alerts, this quick guide will make sure those notifications show up front and center on your screen. Let's get started. First, begin by opening your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for how apps behave on your device. Take a moment to scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the applications currently installed on your phone. Next, from that list, locate X app and tap on it. This will open a menu with several options specific to the app. What we're focusing on here are the notification settings, so select Notifications. Inside the notification settings, you'll see different categories that the app uses to organize its alerts. To manage these more precisely, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can control the different types of notifications the app sends. From here, find the option labeled Recommendations from X. This category refers specifically to the recommendations you want to make sure show up right away. Tap on it to open more detailed controls. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch called Show as Pop-up. Turn this switch on. Once enabled, any recommendations from X will appear instantly on your screen as a pop-up, making them hard to miss no matter what else you're doing on your phone. And that's it. With just a few quick taps through your settings, you've successfully set up pop-up notifications for recommendations from X. This way, you'll never overlook important suggestions or updates again. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give it a try on your device right now. Thanks for following along.